Hi guys, it's Marty here from letsbuildwp.com, and in this video we're going to be covering how to create a custom menu in WordPress. See, when we first install WordPress, any pages we create are automatically added to our menu in the order we publish them. But if we create a custom menu, we can choose which of our pages and posts appear in the menu and in what order. So if you're ready to get started, this is how to create a custom menu in WordPress. Okay, so to create a custom menu in WordPress, we just need to make sure we're logged into our site and visiting the dashboard. Then we're going to hover over Appearance on the left and click Menus. And the first thing we need to do here is give our menu a name. And in my example, I'm going to call mine Main Menu. Then once we've given it a name, we need to click Create Menu on the right. And now if we look here in the middle, we'll see that all of our pages have been automatically added to this list, as well as a custom link that links to our home page. And anything in this list will appear in our menu. So the next thing we'll need to do is remove any pages we don't want in our menu. And to do this, we simply need to click the little down pointing arrow beside any we don't want, and then click Remove. And when we do this, we'll see it's deleted from the list. Then if we change our mind and decide we want to add that page back again, we just need to click View All on the left under Pages, check the box beside any we want to add, and then click Add to Menu. And we'll see they're added to the bottom of this list. Then we can also add posts to our menu in the same way if we like. And to do this, we need to click Posts on the left, and then click View All. Once again, this will show us all of the posts we have on our site. And now we just need to check the box beside any we're wanting to add to our menu, and then click Add to Menu. Then once we've added any pages and posts we want in our menu, we can sort out the order we want them to appear in. And to do this, we simply need to click and drag the items into the order we want them, with anything we put at the top of this list appearing at the start of our menu, and anything we put at the bottom appearing at the end. So in my example, I'm going to keep the link to my home page at the top of this list, which will put it on the left side of my menu. Then I'm going to put my contact page at the bottom, and my about page above this. Then once we have everything in the order we want them, we can also change the names of things in our menu if we like, without affecting the actual page names themselves. This is great if some of our page or post names are a bit long, or just if we want to change what it says in the menu. So to do this, we just need to click the little down pointing arrow to the right of the page name, and then change the text in this box. So for my example, I'm going to change my WordPress tutorials page to say WP instead of WordPress, and then we can click the arrow on the right again to close it back up. Then I'm also going to shorten the name of my post as well, as it's a bit long for the menu. And I'm just going to change this in the same way. Then once we're happy with our menu, if we look at the bottom, we'll see it says Menu Settings. And here we have Auto Add Pages and Display Location. I'd recommend leaving the box beside Auto Add Pages unchecked, otherwise it'll automatically add any new pages we create to this menu. Then under this we have the different places we can add the menu to our site, and this will depend on what theme we have installed. So as we can see, the theme I'm using only has a primary menu, and this is the menu at the top of my site. But you might also have a footer menu that'll appear at the bottom of your site, or some other locations that are specific to your theme. As I only have the one option, I'm going to check the box beside primary menu, but you can choose another location if you have the option. Then once we've choose our menu location, we can click Save Menu on the right. And now when we visit our site, by clicking our site title in the top left, we'll see that our custom menu is now live and active on our site. And everything we added is here, and in the order we added them. And if we change the names of anything, we'll also see that they've been changed too. So that's us now at the end, and that was how to create a custom menu in WordPress. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a like here on YouTube to show your support, and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tutorials like this one in future. And then just before you go, there should be a link on screen now to a playlist of mine that'll show you some other stuff we can do with our WordPress menu. Once again, my name's Marty from letsbuildwp.com, and thank you very much for watching my video.